Good afternoon, everybody. It's a Microsoft Day 125.22. How about that? Not only that, I'm going to share with you on the options on the 330 calls. They expire when? 3 days out. There's a 10,000 block traded. I can tell you right now, that money expires worthless. Okay? So let's get down here where we have a 20,000 share block of a 320 call at $1.40 and everyone's buying them. That money is going to zero. Okay, here we are right now as a master market maker. That 315 call is going to go worthless, and 12,200 contracts will be blowing up there, and you'll have a blow up of this 310 call of 16,500. Oh, yes, you will. And they report after the closing bell. You have 27,000 block, expires. That is a $300 call. That one there will expire worthless. Okay. That is the likelihood of a 90% chance of the 300 expiring worthless. And you have a 17,000 contracts at the 295 call. And they too could go way down in value to 50 cents by dollar if Microsoft misses earnings now. So with Microsoft, there's a lot of contracts. You got people buying the 290s, 12,400 traded on those contracts right there, my friends. $5.79 range on the day. 1280 was a high, 750 low. Now, we can see that side. Let's look at the bearish side, what they call the put side. So on $300 puts, let's see, you don't have a lot of volume. And when you don't have a lot of volume, the only volume I really see is below the market. You got people that have 10,700 contracts there of the 275. They've got 11,900 of the 280 puts. Oh, yes, they do. And the 285s, okay? The low on the Microsoft stock today happened to have been 285.17, by the way. So we can see that is not that big a volume compared to all the volume over here. And you know what can happen at times? There can be an upset because everybody is expecting the same. Stay tuned on the Microsoft earnings. I'll put it on pause. Here we go. We're just minutes from the closing bell. Right now, 29,000 contracts on that 300. You heard me. We're market makers in here. Go ahead and sign up for that live option trading algo. All right, I can tell you, a lot of times the majority of the crowd is always wrong. 18,000 block of the 310, kiss it goodbye, but the volume is increasing as we're going into the closing bell. This is the option tree. This is the volume column, my friends. And on the put side, well, not big enough. And the calls are stacked. But there's an upset that could happen now. Here we go, everybody. I have a knee-jerk reaction. It's trading down to 277 Microsoft. I'm going to get the report, and I'm going to come right back. I don't have all the numbers, but when I do, and we're going to look at how to buy the dip, because once it gaps down big enough, it will pop off at the bottom for a fast trade, and we'll cash in whatever that price is going to be. But it's everything I said in the video. And everybody piled in the options, and I went over it, and into the close, they bought a lot more, and all of that money is what? Gone, just like I said moments ago. And this is here, this is now, and this is real, and I took the other side of this trade, and for the simple reason that Microsoft needs to come down lower. And it will bounce in after hours on the low. Okay, and an after hours print. And we have people that are buying the dip right now. and we do, and how to buy the dip. And, you know, as long as your dip sandwich has the right sauce, you can make some money. Like right now, I'm making money. You're up $2. Bam, you sell it. Then you buy it again. So you can trade this in after hours. You can get in a live trading room. You can participate right now. That is, if you're wanting to make money. You can do the options where you make more money even. So you got your options. We have puts on that trade. And right now, if that thing doesn't close above 300, all of that other strike prices expire worthless. And they do. As a master market maker in options, I'm going to go ahead and take you through this. Things that you don't even know or have a clue. You'll never find them for sale on the internet because people don't know. People who claim they know what they're doing, they don't know what you're going to learn here. Try us out. Find out. You'll see. So, buying the dip, they will buy that dip no matter what. And we're in after hours, and they did buy the dip. As we buy the dip, and we do have someone buying the dip, and we do. And this is the 5-minute dip chart right here. Okay, that's a 5-minute chart in the after hours. Once again, this is live. It's here. It's now. You better get in that trial because you're going to see stuff you've never seen and stuff you won't be able to deny it. And you will not be able to deny that accuracy. Okay? And that thing fell off like a rock from that 295 right there to the lower high. That means that that reversal there is lower than that high there. So we want to focus on this big sell wick and what after hours markets is all about. So if you stick around long enough and listen to everything, you're going to understand how you can make a lot of money right here, right now. With who? With us, of course. And so 273, you can buy it again. And you can. And you can do it many times in the after hours. For those that have a big enough account, you can buy this and make money in after hours, and your puts are already making you so much money. So now you're making money twice, and once again, guess what? We'll get back with you. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Don't hesitate. It's right in front of you.